Hello everyone, this is the Radiant Star here, and today I'm here at Haleakala, a shielded volcano here on Hawaii, Maui. You guys heard it, Hawaii, Maui. And the first thing I just wanted to tell you, don't you guys see, so you guys know that I live on Hawaii, Maui, right? So you guys know that Hawaii, Maui is so super truly warm. But here, up in Haleakala, it's so cold, I can't feel my fingers. I can't. Ow. Okay, that I could feel, but I can't feel this, guys. If I bite it, I can feel it, but I can't pull it off. So, guys, my fingers are still on. That's good, but I can't feel them. So, let's get on, guys. So, here we are on the shielded volcano. Just first of all, look at the view. Look at that. So, look at that. So, guys, so the observatory were built near the highest point on Maui. Did you guys know that the observatory was built on the highest point on Maui? That's actually the observatory. So that must mean that's the highest point on Maui, because it says it was built on the highest point on Maui, guys. Look, observatories were built near the highest point on Maui. So near, not at, but it was really close to the highest point on Maui. So because the site offers the full... Okay, so this cluster of white domed building connects to Haleakala to outer space. So I still don't understand what it means to connect to Haleakala to outer space, but I do know that, look, this cluster of white domed building connects Haleakala to outer space. And so also, because the site offers the fourth best viewing conditions on the planet. Guys, did you hear that? Where I am right now is the fourth best viewing conditions on the planet, guys. On this planet. So on this whole earth. This is the fourth. I can't believe it. I'm on a volcano. So guys, have you ever wanted to touch a rock from a volcano? Well, now you have thousands. It's raining volcano from out of my hands. Okay, guys, let's go over here. So, look, here's a rock from a volcano. Guys, I know you probably whatever, it's a rock. Not interesting. Well, guys, it's from a volcano. Wait, what? I tricked you. And now you can see a real life rock held by me. Oh, mwah. Thank you very much. Yes, thank you. Yeah, I know I'm famous for holding a rock. Yeah. Or just throw it down. So, guys, let's go over there, because we're on top of the clouds, if you guys can believe it. So, I don't think you guys will believe me. Well, now you have proof. We're going to go close to the edge so you guys can see better. Okay, guys, so we're on top of the clouds. Do you guys think I'm just faking and I'm just putting effects on the camera? Or is this real? No way, guys. That is a real cloud. If I jumped, I would land on that cloud. Unless I'm too heavy. I don't know. But either way, guys, look at the sun. I just watched the sun rise. Guys, look. Look what I just saw, guys. Look. Over here. How about me? Look at that. They're little puppies. They're little puppies. They're really cute. Look at that. Well, guys, I just saw cute little puppies. Cute. They're so cute. Okay, guys, well, I showed you mostly everything there is to see here on the shielded volcano of Haleakala. The view, the sun, rocks, ducks, at least I think they're ducks, the biodome, and space. Okay, so guys, that's all we have for you to see today. Join me in the next video. I might do something like this maybe on my next video. Who knows? But I'm pretty sure there'll be something super fun coming up. Well, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like this video. Comment down below, like and subscribe. Hope you guys like this video. Bye. I'll see you in space. Peace out.